My will to thrive has diminished, and I struggle in my role as a mother to my remaining children.
More than a year after her son was murdered outside of a Boston bar, a step towards healing. Hello, I'm Vanessa Welch.
And I'm Carrie Kavanaugh. Today in court, the 22-year-old's family faced the woman who admitted to helping the accused killer after the attack.
Boston 25 News reporter Drew Kratis is live for us outside of Suffolk Superior Court, where this guilty plea was entered today. Drew?
Vanessa, the former co-owner of Sons of Boston Bar apologized and asked the family of murdered Marine Daniel Martinez for forgiveness after changing her plea to guilty on a charge of accessory after the fact to murder. The victim's mother says she is choosing to forgive so she can heal.
You had a duty to keep my son safe.
The mother of the Marine from Chicago, who police say was stabbed repeatedly by a bouncer near the Boston bar he had just visited moments before in March of last year, did not sugarcoat her feelings about the decision of the bar's co-owner to dispose of the alleged killer's bloody clothing right after it happened.
Mr. Muir, I forgive you. I forgive you for trying to rob my family of the truth. I forgive you for trying to rob my family of closure, and I forgive you for trying to rob my family of justice.
The powerful victim impact statements from several family members included words that were not minced from Martinez's older sister after Alicia Dumire changed her plea to guilty, avoiding any prison time.
Evidence that you act out of convenience and reveals that you had very little, if any, dignity to begin with.
Dumire, who also served as a daytime bartender at Sons of Boston, claims she didn't know the full extent of what had happened after the disagreement between bouncer Alvaro Larama and Martinez that quickly escalated with Martinez being stabbed. But she says she's sorry for what she did.
I'm not a bad person, and I know that Mr. Martinez's mother, Sergeant Martinez's mother, has observed that she forgives me in ways that she probably shouldn't.
The 35-year-old walked onto the Suffolk County Courthouse with a GPS monitoring device to head home to Everett, where she'll serve the first 6 months of her 3-year probation sentence under house arrest. And the judge called this a stupid momentary act and says it will have no bearing on the second-degree murder trial of the bouncer, which he will be overseeing. Vanessa?
Drew, Sons of Boston, we know it's no longer in business. Can you tell us what happened with that bar after his murder?
Well, Vanessa, if you recall, the Boston Licensing Board voted unanimously to suspend the bar's liquor license back in 2022, but that bar later reopened under the same ownership with a new name called the Loyal Nine. The lawyer for the Martinez family says a wrongful death suit filed by the Martinez family is moving along here, Vanessa.
Drew, thank you for that update. We know you'll continue to keep us posted on what happens next. Thank you.